group here with us this morning. All right, Chris Gayle, first famous for being one of our top batsmen on the pitch, has now been hitting for six in the studio, interestingly. So if don't finish with cricket, you know, I see him talking about the 60 competition, which is a 10 over each team competition. And he's probably going to make 100 now that because he make 100 now every single thing in life. Virgin, good to see you.
Morning, man. Good morning, Neville. My respect, my respect. Good to see you as well, man.
Yeah,
Long
man.
time no see.
Yeah, fight against but you get famous, you know, but when you're like a small friend them anymore.
Nah, man, it's just the early morning thing, man. It's just tight.
Cricket does start so early.
Cricket that starts so early. I fight to get up this morning,
Yeah.
but let me say, I'm here, so you know what,
Yeah,
get on with it.
Really happy that you could come to this morning. Music and Chris Gayle. It kind of don't surprise me still, but it surprised me. I don't know if that makes sense, you know, because you've been around and I know you.
Yeah, that's true. You actually, you know, I grew up in it as well, you know, but never like for record a song, you know.
Where this come from, though?
That wasn't a part of the agenda.
Yeah, where this come from?
Stylo G draw me up, man. Stylo G. After I tell him, say, yo, Stylo, I need to be on that remix track, and he was like, yeah, okay. And then he turn up at my house during the pandemic and say, yo, Chris, I'm ready to record. I said, listen, me, record what? You know what I'm saying? So I was just say, yo, I'm going to go drink a few and then get a little vibes because I've never done such thing before, you know. So I say, all right. And then he started to guide me along and say, you know, say it like this. And we actually build the lyrics on spot as well. You know, he came up with most of the lyrics, but you see the cricket part of stuff as well. And I would have said to him, no, you wouldn't say it that particular way.
Yeah.
And yeah, so both of us actually, you know, combine the lyrics.
And when you heard the first one, what do you say?
Well, when it actually mixed now and then it started, and then him send it to me, I said, yo, me that? And everybody was like, yo, Chris, that's you? I mean, Suleiman Ben Barbados called my phone and said, yo, Chris, that's you? Did you write the lyrics? Everybody was so shocked and surprised. Yeah. And everybody was so shocked and surprised.
If you sound like anybody, who you think you sound like?
Them say Snagapus. That's what Stylo G said at the time. No, yeah, but
fantastic. So you enjoyed doing the first one?
Absolutely, man. I love it. And then, you know, from there, I just like, okay. You know, working with Kamar as well. You know, Kurt Riley introduced me to Kamar. You know, he's an engineer, he's a writer as well, and he's a producer as well. So start link with him now, and then from there on, you know, he came to my house, and the same place we actually recorded the song with Stylo G. It was in my movie theater in my house. Yeah. And then, you know, Kamar came over, and then we say, yo, he write a song for me and say, I have a song for you, Chris. And it's called Living the Life, because he watched my Instagram. And he said he put the lyrics together based on my Instagram. So you're always living the life. And then we recorded that song there in the movie theater at my house. And then we live in life. And from there, and I'm starting to get into it now and just learning how to record. You know, it was a bit of it's still challenging, but you know, I'm enjoying it at the same time, and I'm still learning.
And you have your own studio now.
Yeah, so I get so passionate into the music thing now. And you know, build my studio at my house and start my record label, Triple Century Records. Now I'm actually featured on album now, Contractor Music. So, you know what I'm saying? It's a good look. I'm getting booked for shows.
What? Yeah. You're still playing cricket,
right? And I'm still playing cricket.
So after I reach 100, you know, say, hold on, people, me have a booking, you know, I soon come back.
Absolutely.
This is something serious you're going to do, or is just like a fun for you still?
It's serious, man. I get my first #1 with this rapper in India, Emiway Bantai. You know, I did a collab with him. On YouTube, 55 million now on YouTube.
What?
You know, yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah, we did a music video. Yeah, for do research, man. You know what I'm saying? My favorite song still, you know, Blessings, and yeah, man, I did another collab with Tanto Blacks. We come out with Party. Kurt Riley produced that one. I did one with Avina Shah from the UK as well. Yeah. You know, she's an Indian, and I just recorded one a couple days ago for Third World. Third World reach out to me and say, Chris, I need you on that track. I have this young artist. I need a verse from you. I'm like, Third World, I reach out to me, Universe Boss. Feel big, you know? I say, yeah.
The Universe Boss,
yeah,
you know, so everybody's supposed to reach out to you.
Yeah. So it was so, you know.
You have enough
pleasing
to come up with an album yet?
Yeah, man, I have a lot of songs. I have songs I haven't even released as well, you know, but my latest single, you know, Don't Go, is Tony and birthday as well. So Tony, happy birthday, you know, our queen, you know, so happy birthday to her as well. You know, she's in the music video as well, Don't Go. That's my latest single. So y'all can go and check it out, man. It's fire.
Yeah. So you still don't finish cricket. So
Nah.
you went finish off and then going on it full, or you're in it full already during the cricket time.
You're talking the music?
Yeah.
I'm in it full, man. I'm in it full time, full time, man. But I still pick and choose a little bit of cricket here and there.
Yeah.
My next cricket game is on the 6th anyway. I'm down by Treasure Beach. It's a charity game. So I got to pull out my gears and roll out down by Treasure Beach. So y'all come want to watch a Universe Boss, you can turn up at Treasure Beach.
You're still enjoying the cricket?
Oh yeah, well I haven't played in a long time, but I'm looking forward to the 60. I'm looking forward to the 60 in St. Kitts.
Yeah, man. That's
a new tournament.
10
yeah. Being the ambassador for the tournament as well. And the trophy is named after you, named after me as well. So I'm really excited about that.
Speaking of ambassador, you're also named a Jamaican ambassador for the tourism. The Middle East and Asia, right?
Absolutely. I'm privileged to do such thing for the country, I've been carrying the country for so many years, but the tourism side of things now is a different challenge now. So I'm really happy to working with the minister
and they're asking you
about
to do what? Tell people about Jamaica and stuff like that?
I mean, I brought so many people in Jamaica, but yeah, it's all about that, and you spread our culture, in different parts of the world, and we can actually build the tourism side of things as well, here in Jamaica as well, which is, Jamaica is so unique, it's so unique, and a lot of people would love to be here in Jamaica, so I'll play that part as well.
Sterling, also one of them, like you, he's doing that for England.
Yeah. I think so. Yeah. I'm not sure. Yeah, he's an ambassador for the tourism part in the UK as well. Yeah, that's good. That's very good.
All right, Regin, how can we find your music?
It's on all platform, all digital platform. But before you said that, I have something to say. I have my birthday party coming up, September the 17th. Normally, I yearly thing I keep my birthday party at my house. It's a charity event. All the funds always go back to my foundation. So it's September the 17th. So tickets will be online. Well, tickets is already online, so yeah.
Yeah, man.
Check it out.
Good to see you, my brother.
I appreciate it, man. My respect, man. Yeah.
One of only 4 cricketers in history to make 2 double centuries in Test cricket. You know who that is?
Yeah.
Remember me tell you I was going to bet you?
I know the other 3. You want me to tell you?
Yeah, tell me.
Brian Lara, Viranda Sewag, and Dan Bradman.
Sneak out the last one.
That's a big league, Yep. All right.
One of only 4 cricketers in history to make 2 double centuries in Test cricket. Amazing. Chris Gayle with us this morning. Good to see you, my friend.
I appreciate it, man. Thanks, man. Respect.
And congrats on what you've done. And what you've done for Jamaica's cricket and West Indies cricket. You were the captain.
Yeah.
I think you have the most one-day century.
So many things. I'll take up your program if you continue.
Yeah. Universe Boss.
Yeah, well, respect.
Chris Gayle.
And
check him out.
Happy Emancipation Day, Jamaica.
Yeah, man. Blessings.
Yeah,
Soon come. Stay with us.